it's been said to me, why don't you take your dog to training, you know, and train him to be obedient and to do things. And I said, you know what, if you did that, that would take away that dog's character. You know, he'd be a boring dog. And I don't want him to be like that. My sister bred these, she was a professional dog breeder, she bred these dogs. And she had 2 males. So when the girls come into season, he had to, you know, they fought, so he come to live, you know, she needed to find a home. And also she thought it would fix a problem that I was going through at the time. I'd describe Archie's life, I suppose it's been, well, it's definitely been an eventful life. What he's been through with me being on drugs and other experiences, you know, that has happened to him. Archie got dog napped last October. I had a disagreement with a guy, him and his pal, they'd got into my home and took my dog. It was probably one of the most, since I've been clean from drugs, I think it was probably one of the most challenging experiences I've been through. You know, I remember like thinking, like, what do I do with his bed? What do I do with the dog bowls? You know, things like that, simple things. He was found 3 miles away. He'd just been dumped. You know, there would be sort of drug dealers that would try to get into my home. He saved my life in a lot of ways, you know. You know, they are, you know, dogs are, well, animals full stop, are more adaptable than us, I think. You know, situations and things that happen to them, you know, they get on with it. Whereas we complain, do you know what I mean? But they don't. So my perspective of life has changed. What I thought life would be like, you know, I thought, oh God, it's going to be so, you know, I ain't got the drugs anymore, it's going to be an absolute boring, monotonous life. It's proved to be the opposite, you know, it's proved to be the opposite. If Archie could speak to me, what would he say? That's a hard one. I think there'd be hurt there, a bit of anger there at what he's been through. You know, that he's been somewhat neglected sometimes. But at the end of it, he'd say to me, you've done well. He wouldn't say you don't, he'd say, you've done well.
Click the videos to watch more Londoners and don't forget to subscribe.